Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can allow comments to be posted on your video clips you publish on Vimeo. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your account on Vimeo and you can do this for each video one by one or for entire video library. So if you'd like to apply that to your entire library, guys, you'll need to access your account settings here in the top right by clicking into your profile icon and choose settings. And here, guys, what you want to do is navigate to videos. And in the upload defaults, so which means for videos you upload from now on, for entire library, what you want to do is scroll down, and here at the very bottom you will see these options: comments, allow viewer comments, which will be enabled on default. So if you accidentally turn this off, turn it on again, click into save here. And as usual, you can also apply this rule to your already existing video library, or leave this unselected, this checkbox. And in this case, this rule will only apply to your future uploads. Click into save here, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.